Assalamualaikum. Hello guys, I'm back with another new video. Today I want to perform one experiment named as vernier calipers. Stop. This is called as vernier scale. In that some parts are there. This scale is called as main scale and this scale is called as vernier scale, and there are two jaws are there, upper jaw and lower jaw. Upper jaw is used to measure internal dimension of the body. Lower jaw is used to measure the external diameter of the body, and this is called as locking screw. This is called as locking screw, and two jaws are there. In that, one is fixed, another is movable. See here, another is movable and one is fixed, and this is called as locking screw. There are two scales are there. One is main scale, another is vernier scale. Again, one more scale is there which is called as depth measuring scale. With the help of this scale, we need to measure depth of an object, and these are the parts of the vernier scale. Vernier scale is used to measure the diameter and length, breadth, height of an object. See the apparatus here. Apparatus are vernier calipers and spherical body. Spherical body is this is called as spherical body, and this is called as vernier scale. These are the apparatus. Before that, aim is to measure the diameter of small spherical body. This is spherical body. We need to measure the diameter of this body, and principle is there. The magnitude of n vernier scale divisions is equal to the magnitude of n minus 1 number of main scale divisions. That is, formula is n into VSD equal to n minus 1 into MSD, where VSD is called as vernier scale division, MSD is called as main scale division, and n is called as number of divisions. This is the principle of vernier scale experiment. And next, formula is there. First formula is, there are two formulas. In that, first one, least count, which is denoted by LC, and TR, which is TR means what here? Total reading. Least count formula is value of 1 MSD divided by total number of VSD, and the TR formula is TR equal to MSR plus CVD into LC. Here, TR is considered as total reading, MSR is considered as main scale reading, and CVD is considered as coinciding vernier division. The word coincide is considered as like this. If two lines are there and two lines are aligned together, coincide together means this is called as coincide. Next version is there. Value of 1 MSD, second one of VSD, third one LC equal to value of 1 MSD divided by total number of VSD. Here, value of 1 MSD. See the scale, students. Here, there are in main scale, one upper side is there, one down side is there. Upper side inch is there, down side centimeter is there. We need to calculate, if we need to calculate the external diameter of the object, means we need to observe the centimeter scale. In centimeter scale, it is start from 0 to 15 centimeter. So in that, value of each division is considered as 0.1. Value of each division is considered as 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 up to 0.5, and last is 15 centimeter. So see the observation, student. Value of 1 MSD means each division on MSD is considered as 0.1 centimeter. Next, total number of VSD. VSD means this scale. Count the lines here. 0, first line indicates 0 here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Therefore, the total number of VSD is considered as 10. And we need to calculate the LC value here. LC means what here? Least count. Its value is, its formula is value of 1 MSD divided by total number of VSD. Value of 1 MSD is considered as 0.1 divided by total number of VSD. How much here? 10. Therefore, the LC value is 0.1 divided by 10. And what is the value of what is the value of LC? 0.1 divided by 10? 0.01. Yes. 0.01 centimeter. 0.01 centimeter. This is the LC value of vernier scale. Now see the diagram, student. Diagram is there and some parts are there. There are two jaws. This is considered as lower jaw and this is considered as upper jaw. Next, vernier scale is there. Next, main scale is there and this is called as a locking screw. Tell it as a screw only. And one more is there. Error means what? Error means what? Yes, error means what here? Mistakes. Mistakes are there. How to identify some mistakes means with the help of this scale here. See the value of first line of VSD and first line of MSD means 0. Both lines should be coincide. Both lines should be coincide means it is considered as 0 error equal to 0. If both lines are coincide means the value of 0 error is 0, which means the VSR, first line of VSR, first line of MSR, both are coincide means it is considered as 0 error equal to 0. Next, there are two types of 0 error. First one is positive 0 error. Second one is negative 0 error. Positive 0 error means what? First should be MSR line and second should be VSR line. Like this. This is considered as positive 0 error means first line should be MSR 0 and second should be VSR 0. This is considered as positive 0 error. And third one is negative 0 error means first should be VSR 0 and second should be MSR 0. See the value, student. If the scale is like this means first line of 0 is VSD and first line of MSR is 0. Both lines should be coincide and this is considered as there is no mistake, there is no error in this instrument. Now, tabular column is first object is there and next to trial number, next MSR in centimeter, next CVD, next TR in centimeter and one more is a mean TR. Object is there. Here we need to take one object which is in the spherical shape. Here consider as in a spherical shape. We need to take 3 trials. 1, 2, 3. MSR in centimeter. MSR means main scale reading. CVD means coinciding vernier division. TR means total reading in centimeter. And mean, we need to take a mean value of TR here. First trial is see the apparatus and just do like this and take one spherical object here and hold like this. Yes, hold like this. See the position of my hand and this is the spherical object and this is the vernier scale and now we need to observe the MSR value. MSR value first we need to observe the first line of VSD. First line of VSD is meet to or is joined to the any value of MSR here. Any value means what here? Here we are considered as 2.4. Here we are considered as 2.4. See the value of MSR, student. First line of VSD is joined to the any value of MSR. Any value means what here? 0 or 2.4 is there. So we need to take the value of MSR is 2.4. And next is a CVD. CVD means what here? Coinciding vernier division. That is, this is called as CVD line. Means coinciding vernier division. These lines are called as a main scale reading in centimeter. So we need to observe in between 0 to 10. There are 10 lines are there, 10 divisions are there. Any line here, it should be coincide with any line of MSR here. Here, fifth line is coincide with the MSR. See here, see students, fifth line of VSD, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth line of CVD is coincided, exact coincided with the line of the MSR. Therefore, we need to take CVD value as a 5. CVD line as a 5. Next, we need to calculate the TR value and we need to calculate the mean value. Before that, again we need to take one more trial here. Just hold like this. Hold like this and see the value here. MSR value is again 2.4 only. Note down the value of MSR 2.4, and next the CVD value again 6th line is there. See the value here in between 5 and 6 are both exact coincide with each other, means MSR and a CVD line of 6th and 5th line both are coincide with each other. So we need to take 5th line of CVD here. 5th line of CVD. Again we need to take another trial. Just remove the object. Again we need to fit the object like this. Again you need to take one more trial here. Last trial, that is same here. MSR is value is if the 0 of VSD is coincide with the MSR value, which means 2.4 is there. Third reading also 2.4, and last is CVD value. See the value, student, in between 5 and 6 line both are coincided with the MSR reading. So in between 5 and 6 we need to take a 5th line here. These are the values of 3 readings, that is first trial is MSR 2.4, CVD is 5, and second one is 2.4 and CVD is 5, third is 2.4 and CVD is 5. After observing this value, there is no error, which means there is no mistake here, because starting only we found one mistake. We found the errors here, which means 0 error means what? First line of VSD is coincide with 0 of the MSR. Therefore, it is considered as 0 error. So, after simplification, we get the value of first trial, that is TR. TR means what? Total reading. See the formula, students. MSR plus CVD into LC. MSR of first reading is 2.4 plus CVD of first reading is 5, and LC is already, we know that the LC value of 1 year is 0.01. This is the same for each trial. Next, second trial is MSR plus CVD into LC. MSR is 2.4, CVD is 5, and LC is 0.01. After simplification, we get 2.45, 2.45. Similarly, for third reading also 2.45. Now, just substitute the value of TR here. 2.45, 2.45, 2.45 in centimeter only. All are in centimeter. Next, mean value is there. Mean means what? We need to take 3 trials. Means TR equal to TR1 plus TR2 plus TR3 divided by 3. After simplification, after substituting the values, we get TR equal to 2.45. Now we need to write the mean value of TR is 2.45. Now, these are the calculation part, and take the screenshot. Next, and the result. Result is, see here, the diameter D of the spherical body. Which type of body it is? Spherical body. Is how many centimeter? What is the mean TR here? 2.45. 2.45.